Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open any app on your smartphone, just like that. Now just go to the recent apps section. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app and drag it to the top or to the bottom of the screen, just like that. Now just tap on the 9 dots at the top of the screen. Now from here, just select the second app to open in a split screen, just like that. Now from here, if you drag the window from the center, you can increase or decrease the size of the windows, just like that. And if you tap on the bar at the top of the window, you can open the app in full screen mode or you can disable the app, just like that. And this is how you can enable split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.